How's it going? So this is my 2011 GT Mustang. It's a twin turbo, as you can see. It's a stock bottom end Gen 1 Coyote. The only thing done to the motor is oil pump gears and crank sprockets. It's running on roughly 7 pounds of boost, making 650 to the wheel. It has a built caliper transmission in it. It's still stick shift, and it has aluminum drive shaft, built rear end. Other than that, that's about all it has done to the car.
Who did it work?
My brother right there, Darren. He has the silver car on our page on 909 Stangs. You can check it out. He's got the silver turbo 3-valve, and then this is my car here.
That actually sounds great. I think my rear end's about to blow up. Oh, for real? It's making some clunking noises. That's fucking supposed to be rolling anti-lag, didn't work too well.